Today is Tuesday, 15th December 2020, unit number 9. Topic is distance formula. Distance formula means the formula for finding the distance between 2 points. Suppose there are 2 points. These are 2 points. This is P and Q. And the distance between these 2 points is this. This is denoted by D. This is the distance between P and Q is denoted by small d. Now, these 2 points having 2 coordinates. P point having coordinate x and y. If this is first point, so we will write here x1, y1. And this is the second point Q, and it having 2 coordinates. Coordinate mean 2 x coordinate and y coordinate. It is second point, so we will write here x2 and y2. Okay, understood? These are 2 points P and Q. Point P having 2 coordinates x1 and y1. Point Q having also 2 coordinates x2 and y2. They are the names of coordinates. These names are for specification. Now we will find the distance between these 2 points using a formula known as distance formula. We will write here PQ. PQ means these are 2 points, and we are finding the distance between 2 points P and Q. We can write it as D like this. We will write here under root, square root. Under root or square root. Here we put the coordinates like this. Formula for finding the distance PQ will be equals to x2 minus x2 minus x1 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It means we will write here x2 minus x1. We are finding the distance between these 2 points. So first of all, we will subtract the coordinates of x2 from x1. Then whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. This is the formula for finding the distance between 2 points P and Q, which is denoted by D. For example, if there are 2 points P, which is 1 and 2, Q 3, 4. These are 2 points. The coordinate of P are 1, 2 means its x coordinate is 1 and its y coordinate is 2. Other point is Q. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. First of all, we will name them. This is x1, y1. This is x2 and y2. Now we will solve the distance, find the distance between P and Q like this. PQ is equals to x2. First of all, we will write the formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now put the values, and for point P, we name the coordinate. First coordinate as x1 and second coordinate as y1. So, and for point Q, we name the x coordinate as first coordinate as x2 and other y coordinate as y2. Now we will put the values in this formula. X2, this is x2, 3, and y2, x1 is 1, minus 1 whole square, plus y2 is here 4, and minus y1 is 2 whole square, is equals to 3 minus 1, 2, 2 square, plus 4 minus 2 equals to 2 whole square. Now 2 2s are 4, plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 whole square root will be equals to 8 under root 8. This is the distance between P and Q. This is the distance between P and Q. So we can find the distance between 2 points like this. This is the formula for finding the distance between 2 points. Derivation of derivation for finding the distance formula is question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Find the distance between pairs of points A. Part A is point A and B are given. Point A having two coordinates. X coordinate is 9 and Y coordinate is 2. Where point B having two coordinates, X coordinate 7 and Y coordinate is 2. First of all, we will write the names of coordinate. In point A, 9 and 2 are the points. X1, Y1 are the coordinates. X1 is 9, Y1 is 2. In point B, name of coordinates are x2 and y2. x2 is 7 and y2 is 2. Now we will write the formula for finding the distance of point A and points A and B. Distance formula is, as you know, x2 minus x1 whole square. First of all, we will write the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will put the values in this formula. X2 minus x1. X2 is 7 and x1 is 9. So we will write here 7 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1, means 2 minus 2 whole square. Now 7 minus 9 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2, 0 whole square. It is equals to 2 minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 and 0 is equals to 0. So only 4 under root AB distance is equals to under root 4, which is equals to 2 units. Units mean which unit is given, we will write here. If there is centimeter, meter, any unit used in the question, we will write here the unit. So I only write here 2 units.